Now we are going to do capitalization of super profit method. This is on page number 135, exercise number 10. Now under this method, they calculate the goodwill by capitalizing the super profit at normal rate of returns. So that is goodwill is capitalized value of super profit. So the goodwill எப்படி calculate பண்றாங்கன்னா super profit divided by normal rate of returns into 100. That is a formula that we follow. Okay, so we are going to do exercise number 10. Now just look into the sum, exercise number 10. They have given normal rate of return is 10% and profit for the last 4 years, that is 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 and 45,000. Next they say there is a non-recurring income of 3,000 included in the above mentioned profit of 30,000. அதாவது 30,000ல வந்து non-recurring income 3,000 include ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. So இந்த 3,000 என்ன பண்றோம், நம்ம 30,000ல இருந்து subtract பண்ணிடணும். Okay, then only we go on to find the average profit. Next, average capital employed given is 3 lakhs. So we are going to find out what is the average profit, then normal profit, then super profit. Then we are going to find goodwill by capitalizing super profit. Okay, first to start with, we are going to find what is the total profit. We'll do the calculation here. Total profit. Now for the first year they said it is 30,000. இதில் வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், 3,000 minus பண்ணிடுறோம். Okay, so it is going to be only 27,000. Second year they say is 40,000. Third year 50,000 and fourth year it is going to be 45,000. Okay, so why we subtract this 3,000 is because it is an income which is non-recurring. அந்த வருஷத்துக்கு மட்டும் தான் வந்திருக்கு, அதனால நம்ம இந்த 3,000 வந்து மைனஸ் பண்ணிடணும். So the total comes to rupees 1,62,000. Okay, so this is the total profit. Now we are going to find the average profit. So average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. So that is equal to 1,62,000 divided by 4. 4 years. Inge 4 years irukadnala 4 years we are going to divide. So you get the average profit of rupees 40,500. Now we found out the average profit. Next we are going to find out what is the normal profit. Now normal profit, how do you calculate normal profit? That is capital employed into normal rate of returns, isn't it? Capital employed into normal rate of returns. Now what is the capital employed they have given you? That they have given you as 3 lakhs. Now what is the normal rate of return they told for this? It is 10%. So it is 30,000. Okay, so normal profit is 30,000. Now average profit கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு, normal profit கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ அடுத்தது என்ன செய்ய போறோம் அப்படின்னா super profit கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். So super profit is equal to, how do we find super profit? Average profit minus the normal profit, isn't it? Average profit minus this normal profit. So average profit எவ்வளவு கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்? It is 40,500. இந்த normal profit எவ்வளவு கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்? 30,000. So இதை subtract பண்ணா எவ்வளவு ஆகுது? Super profit 10,500. Okay, இப்போ இது மூணு முடிச்சாச்சு. அடுத்த ஸ்டெப் தான் புதுசு இப்போ நமக்கு. Now we are going to find out goodwill under by capitalizing the super profit. So goodwill நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம்? By okay, this is a method. சரி, இதுக்கு என்ன formula? We already saw super profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. So super profit divided by normal rate of returns into 100. This is it. Okay. Now what is the super profit now? Super profit is 10,500. So 10,500 into what is the normal rate of return? Normal rate of return here. Normal rate of returns எவ்வளோ 10% இல்லையா? So 10 into 100. So you are going to get 1,05,000 as the value of goodwill. Okay. So your average profit is 40,500. Your normal profit is 30,000. Your super profit is 10,500. And your goodwill value comes to 1,05,000. So this is the last step, which is something new for you. So இது என்ன பண்றாங்க? சூப்பர் ப்ராஃபிட்டா கேபிட்டலைசேஷன் பண்ணி குட்வில் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாங்க. இது ஒண்ணுதான் வித்தியாசம். இன்னொன்னு என்னன்னா, keep this in mind, because it is a non-recurring income, we have to subtract from the profit for the first year, that is 30,000. So in the 27,000 தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Add பண்ணிப்போம். So it is 1,62,000. Okay children. So try out the illustration sum similar to this. But this is a bit different because we don't have, this is the item which is extra there. Okay. So this is similar to illustration number 10. Try it out. Thank you.